Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Good Morning Mechanic, where we turn wrenches and tackle challenges together. I'm Dan, your guide through the world of DIY automotive repairs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this is the place to rev up your skills and share your knowledge. Hit subscribe, join the Good Morning Mechanic team, and let's get our hands dirty. Good morning, everybody. So, the maintenance required light came on in the car on our way to work, which means there's routine maintenance that needs knocked out. And I'm just kind of looking over everything. I know that means we got to do an oil change. It's not quite time for the spark plugs. I ordered a Serpentine belt because it's been about 120,000 miles and that thing's still kicking. So we're going to put a new Serpentine belt on. Got the car jacked up. I need to change the Serpentine belt, which is way down there. But in order to do that, I gotta go through here. But I think I can actually go up underneath. It's so cold. I'm laying on the ground like an idiot. Oh, come on, dude. Pop out for me. It's supposed to pop out. Why are you not? Is it because you're old and brittle? There you go. That's what it's supposed to do. Sweet. This one's already gone. And I'm going to try and get this without taking the tire off. Hopefully. Wouldn't that be nice? Come on, don't break. Hey. There you go. Go on. Well, look at that. Don't break. Please. Please don't break. Ooh, this is going to be a tough one. Come on. Nice and easy. Come on, come on, come on. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Don't force it. Hey. Nice. Woohoo, look at that. And this should just slide out. Oh, yeah, look at that. Here's my Serpentine belt. There's a nut up top, and there's a nut right here. I think I'm going to try the nut right there. There's a nut right there, too. I wonder if I can get... There we go. Come on. I wonder if I can get my socket on here first. It's kind of a pain to do this yourself. I'm going to try that. I'm going to try this one first. Okay, so I have our belt tensioner tool hooked onto that outside one. And it looks like that's going to be enough. Problem is, I can't be up here when I got to be down there. So I was hoping I could maybe flick that thing off. Because I can see it right there. It's loose. So maybe... I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, this is going to be a lot easier from down here. Just turn it, and then I'm going to be able to flick this off. Yep. I don't recommend doing that, because if this comes out from around here, it's going to fly off. So I got to use two hands, but this is what I'm going to do. My wrench is in my way. There we go. So now we're comparing the old belt to the new belt. There's definitely a big difference. You can see how thick these ribs are with the new belt. Same number, but way thinner. There's some sort of felt, and this is more of like a rubber. So, thickness-wise, even the old belt, it feels a little thicker, but I don't know. These Goodyear belts, I heard good things. So, I don't know. I'm going to save the old belt just in case, but it should be good. So, let's get under here. I'm going to try to put it on over this. Okay, so that sign is done. We're good to go. We're good to go with that on top. Now we gotta get it on the bottom. So nice and easy. Nice and easy so we don't jack up the top. Do that. I'm gonna put my wrench through it like, oh, it fell off. Oh. All right, I need to put the camera down. Hang on. Okay, that wasn't too bad. What I had to do was actually reach up through here and on this side with my right hand, move the wrench, and then just grab it from up here and pull it around. But we're good. We're gonna start the car, see what happens. Look at that. Pants. Looks good. Silky smooth. Now we're gonna put this thing back up where it was. I know, I told you guys I would make more professional videos. Oh, shit. Oh, man, I dropped my phone. Come on, bugger. Okay. Oh, look at that. And that wasn't even there, so. Okay, so what did we do tonight? We cleared out the air filter. We topped off the washer fluid. We didn't film that. Did an oil change, and we changed out the serpentine belt. All stuff that you can actually do at home. I used a ratchet, a 3/8 ratchet. I used a 14mm wrench and a 14mm socket to do all that. So, and a little air compressor with a nozzle. But all stuff you could do yourself. I think I'll put up here like kind of how much it would cost. And I want to say, not including the tools, it cost me probably like $30 for the oil and the oil filter. So not too bad. It's really cold in the garage right now. It's probably like 27 degrees. I'm gonna go inside and warm up. Let me know in the comments kind of what you guys do for your routine maintenance when your light comes on. The only thing I didn't do on here that I'm going to do is rotate the tires. I'm actually going to take it over to a local garage and do it over there, so I don't have to do it in my garage. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you got any tips, tricks, if I missed anything. Thanks for watching. As always, have a good morning.